Hi guys, this is Hiner from Zentrix Radio Communication. Alam nyo ba na pwedeng gamitin ang mobile phone kapag meron kang Zentrix POC radio? So in this video, tuturuan ko kayo on how to install Zentrix mobile app using your Android phone. Para sa mga Android users, after purchase, meron kayong marireceive na QR code from Zentrix. At kahit anong model ng POC radio nyo ay magagamit nyo sa inyong mga mobile app. So from ZX200, ZX288, at ZX300.
Scan the QR code, click download anyway, at hintayin ang pag-download. Once the file is downloaded, click open, then click install. Don't worry, this is normal. Now, let's proceed to Play Store. Click your account, click Play Protect, click Settings, and then click Turn Off. Now, let's continue downloading. Go to the File and Downloads and install the app. Open the app.
Congratulations! You just downloaded the Zentrix POC mobile application. Para sa account, gamitin ang IMEI number na makikita sa inyong mga POC radio. So, para naman sa password, gamitin ang 1 or number 1 para makalagin. After makalagin nyo, punta kayo sa setting at pwede nyong ma-change password.